For homeowners in St. James, keeping property value strong is more important than ever. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to protect your investment, one upgrade consistently pays off: new windows. Beyond enhancing curb appeal, replacement windows can improve comfort, energy efficiency, and buyer appeal, all factors that directly influence how much your home is worth. First impressions matter. Boosting curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers notice. Old, worn, or outdated windows can make even a well-maintained home look tired. By installing modern, stylish windows, you instantly refresh the look of your St. James property. Updated designs. Options like casement, bay, or picture windows add character and sophistication. Material choices. Vinyl, wood-clad, and fiberglass frames each offer aesthetic and durability benefits. Color variety. Today's windows come in finishes that complement both traditional and contemporary homes. Curb appeal has a powerful impact on perceived home value, often encouraging buyers to offer closer to asking price. Energy efficiency and cost savings. St. James homeowners know that seasonal weather changes can drive up utility bills. Drafty, single-pane windows allow heat and cool air to escape, wasting money and straining HVAC systems. New windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames keep indoor temperatures stable. Reduce monthly heating and cooling costs. Improve overall energy efficiency ratings, which buyers increasingly look for. For buyers who care about sustainability and lower living expenses, energy-efficient windows are a strong selling point that can tip the scales in your favor. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Comfort goes beyond energy savings. New windows can dramatically reduce drafts, making living spaces cozier year-round. They also minimize outside noise, a valuable benefit for homes near busy streets or in bustling neighborhoods of St. James. Quiet, comfortable interiors are a subtle yet powerful way to make a home feel more valuable, especially during showings when buyers are imagining themselves living there. Safety, security, and modern features. Outdated windows can pose safety risks. Many older models lack strong locking systems, making them easier to tamper with. Modern replacement windows include advanced locking mechanisms for greater security, tempered or laminated glass that resists breakage, easy clean tilt in designs, making upkeep simpler for future homeowners. These upgrades give buyers peace of mind, boosting both confidence and property value. High ROI and increased resale value. According to real estate experts, window replacement projects typically deliver one of the best returns on investment, ROI, of any home improvement. Homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their spending, often up to 70 to 80%, in resale value. In St. James's competitive housing market, homes with updated windows often sell faster and at higher prices than comparable properties without them. For buyers, new windows represent fewer future expenses, making your home more attractive. Local market advantage. In St. James, every housing market has its quirks, and in St. James, buyers are particularly attuned to long-term value and move-in readiness. With many families and professionals seeking homes that require minimal immediate work, new windows set your property apart. It's a practical feature that reassures buyers they won't face hidden costs soon after purchase. Final thoughts. Upgrading to new windows in your St. James home is more than a cosmetic change. It's a smart investment that enhances comfort, safety, energy savings, and resale potential. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy your property more while safeguarding its future value, replacement windows deliver measurable benefits. When buyers see sparkling, energy-efficient windows, they see a home that has been well cared for, and they're often willing to pay more for that peace of mind.